We are professional in the manufacture and wholesale of laptop power adapter and power supplier, integrating development, production, and sale. Our products include power adapter, laptop charger, LCD power adapter, LED power supply, monitor power supply, large power supply, and accessories and other electronic devices. Our products are exported all over the world: Eastern Europe, Western Europe, America, Mid East, South Africa, and other countries. We have passed the ROHS, CE, FCC certification. All the products are 100% aging test. We have a professional research and development team who focus on product development engineers and quality control. Our strict quality assurance process ensures that all our products will work properly before delivery. Our product performance is stable, secure, and reliable. What's more, we also provide brand design, package design, sticker design, production, and value-added service for our customers. With an independent R&D group, an advanced manufacturing factory, a professional sales team, and a pleasing after-sales service group, our company is a full-service vendor integrating complete development, production, sale, and service. In order to meet market demands, we will continue to work hard to better ourselves. We take credit, cooperation, mutual benefits development as our aims. We are looking forward to get more opportunities to cooperate with the more professional customers. Thanks.